In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I make this delicious Ghanaian green chili sauce. Now, if you're a fan of spicy food, then you are in for a treat. Whether you're enjoying it with your fried yam and some chofidi, banku, kenke, fried rice, this sauce is a game changer. So let's jump right in. So I've already chopped and washed my vegetables for this recipe. I have some garlic, ginger, green bell peppers, spring onion, habanero pepper, shrimp powder, salt to taste. So I had red onions, which I didn't use because I learned if you add it to it, it will change the color. So decided to use onion powder instead. Okay, I've listed all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out. Also decided to use coconut oil, so you can use any oil you have available. To my blender, we'll go ahead to combine the green chilies, green bell peppers, garlic, ginger, and spring onion. Then add in a little oil. This will help the vegetables blend easily. And guys, I can't continue without welcoming you to this channel. Hello and welcome back. Nice to meet you. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help grow this channel. Thank you so much for your support and God bless you. Alright, we are going to blend our vegetables until it is roughly smooth. I also would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God bless you and super grateful to you all. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to cook our blended vegetables until most of the water is reduced. So we'll continue to let it simmer and keep stirring it so that we don't burn it. Also making sure our fire is on medium heat. So friends, at this point, we'll add in the onion powder, then give it a nicely stir. This is about a tablespoon, okay? To that, we'll go ahead to add in my coconut oil, then give it another good stir. Now with the oil, you can add more oil for storage purposes, okay? I use just a little oil because this sauce will finish in just a week, okay? If you want to keep it longer, add more oil, okay? It's kind of like making shito. Next, we'll add in my shrimp powder, salt to taste, and all-purpose season. Then give it a good stir. So we'll allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat and making sure I stir it periodically. And there you have it, guys. Very simple and tastes amazing. All you need is to say hello to your Gankomic Bakbako ke Lonashi. Hey, very easy, guys. So friends, head to your kitchen and make this amazing chili sauce. because you will love it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Until I come your way with amazing recipes, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.